Good morning. Let us continue the chapter The Structure of the Earth. In the previous, you have seen how the interior of the Earth is very high temperature, having very high pressure, and also the density is very high. According to that, only the Earth interior is divided into three layers. I have also given an example of a glass of water. When you take a glass of water, you put some sugar cubes in it, and when you mix it, you have seen the sugar cubes at the bottom of the glass, and the lighter material is floating on the surface of the glass. This is how our Earth's surface is also made up, the three layers, because when we see the three layers are there. The Earth, if you see, the three colors are mentioned there, the three layers are there, the yellow, orange, the interior part, if you see, the three layers are there. This three layer is known as a crust, mantle and core. The yellow color you have seen is the interior of the Earth, like orange color is a crust, middle part, and the white orange color is known as a crust. Now the crust, the uppermost part of the Earth is known as a crust. Uppermost region on which we live, that is known as a crust. Now this crust is also divided into two groups, Sial and Sima. Sial is consist of silicates and aluminium, and Sima is consist of aluminium and magnesium. Because of the Sima layer is heavier than the Sial layer, so the Sial layer, the earth crust is made up of land is made up of a Sial, and because the Sima consists of aluminium and magnesium, the oceans are there. When the earth's surface was formed, the upper region is a Sial and the lower region is a Sima region. When the rainfall occurs, it is filled with the water, and the oceans are derived from on the Sima layer. So the ocean bed, we can say that the ocean bed is of a Sima layer, and the Sial layer is made up of the land surface. So these are the two regions of the earth crust, Sial and Sima region. Now this Sima and Sial region is also known as a lithosphere on which we live. Different rocks are there, the sedimentary metamorphic rock you have studied, they are found in this region. Now after that, this region is separated from the mantle, the second layer of the earth's surface, or we can say the central part of the mantle. The Mohorovic discontinuum, one region was there known as a Mohorovic discontinuum. This region divides the crust from the mantle or from the interior region. The earth is divided from the mantle with this Mohorovic discontinuity. This Mohorovic discontinuity having the character of the crust also and also of the mantle. Now the mantle is the interior of the earth's surface. As we move, the depth of the mantle varies somewhere between 35 to 2900 km. And Mohorovic discontinuity or Gutenberg discontinuity divides mantle from the crust. Mainly the crust is made up from the magnesium, iron, silicates, nickel and iron. This mantle is divided into two layers, the upper mantle and the lower mantle. The upper mantle is a semi-liquid form or the semi-molten state, and the lower mantle is a solid state. So we can say because the upper mantle is a semi-liquid state, so the crust was on the semi-liquid state, so it was almost floating on the upper mantle. Now the third layer is known as a core. It is also known as a biosphere. The another name of a core is a biosphere. It is made up from the heavier material. It is made up from the very heavier material, that is iron and nickel. Mainly it is made up from the iron and nickel. So it is known as a Fe. Why Ni is for nickel and Feo for the iron alloys. The density is very high. It is also divided into two regions, the upper core and the inner core. The upper core, again, it is a semi-liquid state, and the interior core is in the solid state. The density of this layer ranges from 14.5 to 16. The temperature is also increased very sharply with descent of the earth until it reaches to 1000 degrees Celsius. So this is how these three layers are there. As we move towards the interior, the temperature of the earth is increases. Now you can see very nicely how these three layers are there of the earth's surface. These three layers of the earth's surface, the crust, mantle and core. You have seen the crust, the two layers of the crust is there, CR and CMA. Then the mantle, two regions, the upper and the lower mantle, and the core, the three layers of the core, two layers, the inner and the upper. You just remember that the upper mantle is a semi-liquid state. It is the crust is floating on the upper mantle. Again, the upper core is also on the is a semi-liquid state. It is mantle is floating on the upper state. Because of this, the semi-liquid state of the earth interior, many times you have seen the earthquake and the volcanic eruption occurs. It is because the earth is floating on this mantle only, and this molten material only comes out on the earth's surface at the time of a volcanic activity. Thank you very much. Next topic we'll see in the next video.